had to deliver some.
The Blue Light event is a simulation that happens in year 3. We declare a major incident and the students then have to make decisions, planning, and really puts into place the leadership skills that they've built upon over the last 3 years.
Kind of nervous, but also confident in my own ability to do well.
Really apprehensive actually, now I'm here. Don't really know what to expect. I know I'm put into the ED role as a nurse, so not too sure what patients I'm having coming through, but it's going to be a good day and I'm sure I'm going to learn a lot from it.
Been positioned in ITU. We haven't been given much information about it as of yet. I expect it's going to be quite intense.
So I'll be on call, so that means anything that kind of goes wrong around like a simulation, I'll be called to that and have to deal with whatever we're presented with.
The purpose of the event is to give them a positive end experience. This is the last time they're going to be in our simulation suite here at University of South Wales, and it gives them an opportunity to put into place everything they've learned over the last 3 years, consolidate all that learning, gives them an opportunity to look after the patients in a safe way.
We had to facilitate a patient who was unconscious. We had to decide what was wrong with him and give him the correct treatment. I was anaesthetics. I had to facilitate the airway, which is quite stressful. When I am qualified and go into practice, it's kind of like a bit of a taste of what it'll be actually like.
We've been looking after a patient who's come in with pneumonia. It's putting what you've learned over the last 3 years into practice. It gives you a feel of what's to come in the real world.
It was very pressured. It was quite realistic actually. I think it's a very pressured environment. It really puts into perspective as to what our role is going to be